Well, if we're going to talk about team management, there's probably two distinctions that are important to make. That is, there's the management of the hard skills, that is the things that are mechanical, that like KPIs and budgets and things that can really be measured or seen or touched. And then there's the soft skills. And the soft skills are things that are much more subjective. They're the people skills. There's the tone of voice, the intent when you manage something or you said something. There's the way that we allow people to interact with each other. These are it's more like the cultural or the people things essentially, but they're things you can't touch. Now, it's very easy to manage the mechanical. It's very easy to go, well, these are our budgets, people, we expect to do it, this is the KPI, you didn't hit that target, etc. It's very easy. And for a long time, managers have been allowed to just focus on that, and they're not necessarily held accountable to their way of being. How are they being in that process? Are they being mean or pushy, or are they being naive, or are they actually not nurturing their staff? Well, now we live in an era where people expect customization. So we even look at the IT product. Before, the computers just were churned out, almost like the Model T Ford was. One color, black. Computers came out, there wasn't any customization, but now we've got tablets and iPads and nannos and all these little things that are customized to exactly what we need, and then inside there we can customize again. You know, people know that in a workspace they have to do mechanical things, but they're also aware that the customization, the way that you can treat them as a human, comes in the soft skills. And a manager that fails to develop their soft skill capacity has a limited lifespan as a manager, or a manager that's growing. You're always going to find a job where you can just put your head down and ignore things. But really, if you're in a growing organization, a dynamic organization, or you want to be one, you need people that have the ability to have tough conversations in a brilliant, beautiful way, or people who know how to create a team dynamic in a way that doesn't just send out an email or command and say this is the way it's going to be done now, but actually knows how to nurture that, and also knows how to be tough at those times as well. So be aware that when you're talking about team management, you're really talking about managing the mechanical and the soft skill, and if you're not looking after the soft skill, you're looking after half of the organization, or half of your real responsibility, and it'll come around and bite you sooner or later, because the people uprise. people are done with the old mushroom metaphor, you can just keep us in the dark, etc.